Teradek VidiU Go lets you take your live production to the next level with broadcast quality 1080p 60 video, cellular bonded network redundancy, and cutting edge HEVC compression. In this Video Guys product spotlight, we're excited to introduce the new Teradek VidiU Go. With HDMI and SDI inputs, VidiU Go seamlessly connects with both consumer and professional cameras, in addition to popular video switchers from NewTek, Roland, Wirecast, vMix, and more. The VidiU Go unit is the most affordable HEVC encoder available at just $1,490. HEVC compression means you can broadcast 1080p 60 HD video with almost half the bandwidth of H.264. Less bandwidth means less data, less money, and more reliable streaming. Add 2 VidiU Go nodes for cellular bonding, allowing you to get a reliable stream anywhere. Teradek custom designed these nodes for the VidiU Go for robust 4G LTE cellular data connections. Finally, connect your VidiU Go to Teradek's Core cloud-based tools to help make the magic happen. Core allows you to bond your cellular data while only paying for the bandwidth you use. No monthly subscription plan or long-term commitments. Just pay for the bandwidth you use, and remember, with HEVC, you'll use less of it. Get everything you need to get started with the new VidiU Go Deluxe Kit. This kit includes the VidiU Go unit, 2 VidiU Go nodes with 2 Telna SIMs and $10 per gigabyte plans for 4G LTE cellular bonding, all necessary cables, a $500 core credit, enough to help you distribute your content and streamline your workflow, and a rugged carrying case. To speak with a professional on the Teradek VidiU Go, give us a call at 800-323-2325 or check us out at videoguys.com.